What's up, family? Welcome back to another valuable video. Now, this is your brother, of course. Some of you know me, some of you don't know. I am Emmanuel Mokhale, and of course today I want to talk to you about the school of news trading. So many of you guys have been watching our videos about news trading or seeing just my day-to-day trading, just trading the New York Stock Exchange or CPI or NFP. If some of you have seen the reels over here, and quite very curious rather on how I trade some of this. I've done various videos addressing or giving you guys some tips on how to trade some of this events, such as your CPI for the US dollar, or the CPI for the pound, the AUD interest rate decision, or the NZD RBN interest rates, your CPI for the US dollar, your retail sales, your initial jobless claims. Many of you have benefited a lot from those strategies, but of course it has also increased the hunger to trade news among so many of the forex community in terms of the knowledge I've exposed, and so many of you have been DMing us wanting more. And of course we've been rejecting that in the sense that we've been just saying you can enroll for our advanced trading course, as we offer a full-on package and not just one subject or one topic like news trading or fundamentals. But of course, due to the demand, like lately many of you have been DMing us, and of course due to the demand we are availing and we are starting what we call a news trading boot camp. Okay, so it's gonna be called the School of News Trading. So this is gonna be a subset under our course. Is gonna be relatively cheap, but the only difference compared to the advanced trading course is that this one I am gonna be teaching you live on Zoom. So we're gonna run classes week by week where I teach you exactly on how to trade news with our very strategy. So this is not just tips that I've given here on YouTube. This we're gonna go and break it down from the foundational phase on what is news trading, where to find your news, types of news impacts, how to predict whipsaws and spikes, and how to overall predict the impact of the news direction, and how to trade it, execution, stop losses, all of that, managing losses. We're gonna make it a full-on class that's gonna help you so much. It's been available to the mentorship students where we do Zooms, and it's also available in the advanced trading course. But many of you said you're all right with trading technicals. In fact, many of you have benefited a lot from my technical videos. You also send me results. Many of you, when we reject your offer about news trading, just learning news trading alone, you send that you usually send us results about you succeeding because of our technicals, and it's quite easy, so you don't need that knowledge. So I'm catering for so many of you who've been really struggling, really being in demand of just news trading, and I'm gonna help you within a series of days, just break it down for you and make sure that by the end of our boot camp you leave with an absolute banger strategy that you can use, that has accuracy and consistency of retrieving profits from the market. So if I'm talking to you right now in this video, I'm gonna need you to use this number on the screen, or use the number in the description or in the pinned comments. I'm gonna put it there. Of course, you're gonna use that number to WhatsApp us, or we can also put our email right here, so you can talk to our admin on the basis of understanding how to enroll for these classes. We're going to be starting very soon, so we are welcoming people as of this video, okay, where we're going to group all of you guys, put you as well in a support group where we trade mainly just news. We just concentrate on just trading news, where we guide you before a news outlet comes out to say this is exactly potentially what may happen, and you also apply the news trading strategy that we're going to teach you. So yeah, it's relatively quite cheap. You can find out the prices for our admin, so it's typically not even half of what the mentorship price is. So that's definitely a very bargain for so many of you who have always wanted this knowledge. So click the link in the description, or just use the phone numbers that you see, and definitely I will see you in class together with other students. God bless you. Thank you so much for your support. we've hit thousands of subscribers watching our videos daily, and I'll continue to provide free content for those who cannot even afford the cheaper classes of news trading. But nevertheless, God bless you, Godspeed, see you in the next video.